In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove subscribers from groups in MailerLite. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, log into your MailerLite account using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll want to head over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Subscribers. This is your central hub for managing all your contacts, so it's the starting point for just about any subscriber-related task. From there, select Groups to see all the audience categories you've set up. Groups are a great way to organize your subscribers by interest or engagement level, and you'll click on the specific group that contains the person you want to remove. Now you're looking at the list of members in that group. Take a moment to browse through, and if you're dealing with a large group, you can use the search bar to locate the subscriber by name or email. Once you've found them, simply check the box next to their name. If you need to remove several contacts at once, you can check the boxes next to multiple subscribers here. This saves you a lot of time when cleaning up your list. With your selections made, look for the Bulk Actions menu, usually located above the subscriber list. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down of options. Choose Remove from Group. MailerLite will then present a confirmation screen where you can review the contacts you've selected. Make sure everything looks correct, then click Confirm or Apply. The system will process the change, which usually happens almost instantly, but you may see a brief processing message. To verify the removal, refresh the group page. The subscriber should no longer appear in that group's member list. It's also a good idea to open that subscriber's profile to confirm they still exist in your overall account. They're just out of that particular group. Double-check that they remain assigned to any other groups you want them in, so their overall engagement isn't disrupted. If you have more contacts to remove, just repeat the process for each additional subscriber. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your groups in MailerLite, keeping your audience organization tight and your campaigns targeted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.